Bloody delicious Viking Blod Mead facts. They say that Vikings drank mead with every meal they had, but what is it and how did it come about? Vikings are back and they're ready for battle. But instead of raiding villages, they're drinking mead and looking to drink some more. So here is the ultimate Viking Blod Mead facts video as we explore what you need to know about this magnificent beverage. Fact number 1. Cherries and honey. Viking Blood is cherry mead or cherry melomel since it is usually made with berries, preferably sweet tart cherries mixed with honey and a portion of water. Fact number 2. Bloody red. Viking Blod Mead is a deep red color, so humans are reminded of blood. Fact number 3. Viking. The name of Viking drink's origins is rooted in the 13th century before people were even really trying to brand their products for marketing purposes or just being cool. Back then, they wanted a drink that would conjure up images of pillaging and plundering from longships made with your enemy's blood. Fact number 4. Viking Blood. It's a bit of an enigma. The phrase Viking Blood is odd, and it must be intentional. The 1300s were over 2 centuries after the Vikings when they weren't even around anymore. It feels like some sort of rebellion against them, as if drinking their blood out of fearlessness. The lifeblood of the Viking Blod Mead. The Viking Blod Mead recipe was originally created with the help of hibiscus flowers. These flowering shrubs produce a sweet and tart flavor perfect for any palate, especially if you're looking to lower your blood pressure or cholesterol levels. The various health benefits can also be used in treatment options for heart diseases. If you are looking for a more complex flavor in your Viking Blood Mead, try sour cherry. They provide significant tannins and sugars, as well as releasing a wide range of flavors when juiced. The juice produces the right bloody red pigment to create the perfect drink. Other dark fruits that you can use as a replacement may include cherries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, mulberries, plums, figs, elderberries, and many others. Hops, the bittersweet flavoring. One of the most important ingredients in Viking Blod Mead is hops. They impart bitterness and fruity flavors to balance the sweetness and act against bacteria growth during fermentation. The hop used for brewing is shaped like a cone-like flower from the female hop plant, Humulus lupulus. Tasty additions. If you want to spice up your Vikings drink, then add some spices. You may find that cinnamon will lighten it and nutmeg can give a spicier taste. Add citrus fruits like orange or lemon for sweetness, while ginger adds warmth. How to enjoy your Viking Blod Mead. The Viking Blod Mead can be an excellent aperitif or dessert wine for any occasion. You can serve it chilled or at room temperature over ice as an appetizer for any occasion. If you don't want to water down your drink, try serving frozen fruits instead of a cube. But be sure that if you heat this type of mead, just heating a little won't do. Remember that Vikings like their winter warmers hot and in mugs. That's it for some facts about Viking Blod Mead. Share this with your friends and subscribe to Advanced Mixology. Also, hit the notification bell button to stay updated on our new videos.